Hindi ko makalimutan ang unang ngiti mo nang una kitang makita. Naalala ko noon sa Jollibee pa lang, sinabi ko na sa sarili ko that she's the one.
Spicy chicken joy with extra rice. And a plate of pineapple juice.
Noon pa lang, alam ko na that you're the one that I want to spend the rest of my life with. Kaya pinapangako ko na I will be the man for you. Pinapangako ko na papasayahin kita. I'll be there whenever you need me. I'll be patient with you at all times. I promise that I will never change. Mahal na mahal kita. Gusto ko ikaw ang pinakamaligaya sa lahat. Kahit hindi naging tayo. I will always be your best friend.